Well, I got 3 of the tires pumped up. This one here leaks out as fast as you can put the air in it. And that's probably part of the reason why that tire's not much good. But, like I said, I got 2 tires back there I was wanting to put on the front of it anyways. So I guess I'll have to do that before I even try to see if it moves. A handy dandy little air tank. I guess I'll be changing the tire here. I got the tire changed. That one should stay up. That's a pretty good tire. Here's the one that was on it. That's probably why she was leaking. I can see cords. Oop, knocked a piece of it off. Anyways, let's see if she tries to move. Oh, forgot to unhook the battery. I'll be back. Alright, battery's hooked back up. See if she fires. Now see if it moves. Tries to move. Well, it's trying to move, so that's a good sign. Means it's got a turbo 350 tranny in it. Most of them like to leak, especially out of the shifter shaft seal. But if it's been sitting for 5 years and it still tries to move, it must not be leaking too much. You dump some water in it. I can run it longer. Let it cool down before I dump some water in it. Don't want to crack anything. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I do have a different radiator for it. Just need to put it in. I can put some antifreeze in it. Because it does get cold around here. You don't want to leave water in anything. Because it'll freeze and ruin your block. And your radiator and heater core. All that good stuff. If I get this out of here and wash it off, I have to move it somewhere else. I'm running out of room. I got it full of water. Had to put some drain plugs in the block. I had the petcock on the radiator, but it's got water in it, and I'm going to pull this up in front of the shop and put that tire on because the one on this side is shot too. Which is probably almost flat, but I don't care, it's no good. I'm going to drive it if it's flat. Alright, I don't know how much of that you've seen, but it's up in front of the shop. Keep my gas jug back up there. Well, there it is. All nice and dirty. I'm going to change this tire. If I call it good for today, I'll probably wash it off tomorrow.